Hi there, I just wanted to go over the scale that we mounted on this 4530 behind me. Let's get started. So this is how it looks here on the front right hand side. Got our 40,000 pound, roughly 20,000 kilogram capacity bar with the leads. They get run up to the junction box on the back of the doghouse there. And what you get is this hardware, stainless steel, this piece of 1/2 inch stainless steel, this bar underneath here, as well as the spacer plates that go on top of and below the load bar. Here come with plastic plugs to plug off the bolt head so it doesn't get full of dirt and debris for if you ever have to remove it. Comes with these rubber bushings instead of the springs to give it a bit of shock absorption. That's about all there is on both sides in the front. In the back here, got that 40,000 pound load bar. Cut away the top of this system here. Supply this piece of 1/2 inch stainless steel, this stainless steel, load bar, again all the hardware. It's all run together. And there the blue wires are your running forward. Here on the rear left hand corner, same thing again. On the front here. And it's just bridges from here to there, so that's about 72 inches. Based on simulations we've run, you would need over 30 metric tons in your bed to have any kind of flex happening here. Very well built. We've been running it for years with this system. In the cab, we'll show you where we mounted the Libra. Right there's a Libra. Wires run back. The power is into right in the back corner right there behind the fuse box, and power goes to this wire here was just capped off, so there was nothing going to it, so we just tied into that wire. 12 volt power. So that's pretty much it. And then you can kind of see that lighter plug there. There's a hole in the floor with just a rubber plug over top of it, or actually a plastic filament. You just poke a hole in there, and it's the only place that you have to penetrate the dust seal of the cab.